In this video, I will show you to enable dark mode in your WordPress website. So first of all, we need to install a plugin from WordPress free plugin library. So let me scroll down and you can go in plugin sections, click on add plugin. And here you can type keyword WP dark mode. Now you can install this plugin free of cost. Let me scroll down. Here you can see 20,000 plus active installations with 4.9 star ratings. So now let's go and click on get started. So this plugin is compatible with different page builders. You can use it for Gutenberg as well as Elementor. Now click on settings and enable this option, enable admin dashboard dark mode. So now let's check these pages. Now on the top here you can see light mode and dark mode. Click here. So now dark mode is active.